Previously we completed exercise 3.7 and with that our chapter number 3 is over. Now today we will revise all the method, all the concept that we learned in chapter number 3. Okay, in starting of this chapter we learn factors of number. Okay, कोई पण number ना factors find करना. So we learn about the factor. For example, what we learn first? It is a factor. For example, number 12. How can we write the factors of number? I already explained that that for write the factor of 12 you need to start from the table of 1. One ना table के start करवाना, you need to increase the number of table to write the all factor. If you perform that method, then it will be easy to write the factors and you will write all the factors. બધા જ ફેક્ટર એના થઈ જશે અને એક પણ ફેક્ટર તમારો બાકી રહેશે નહીં. So 12. So we need to write from 1. 1 12s are 2. It is possible to have 12 in table of 2. So 2 6s are. Now in 3, yes, 3 4s are 12. After 3 you need to check table of 4, but 4 is already there, means you need to stop up to this. So what are the factor of 12? 1 2 3 4 6 and 12. Again take one example. 18. Let's write the factor of 18. 1 18s are. 18 is also divisible by 2. 9 2s are, means we have 18 in table of 2. Now in table of 3. Yes, 6 3s are. Now in 4, no. That is, we do not get 18 in table of 4. Now 5, not possible. Then 6, but 6 is already there, so we need to stop. So what are the factor of 18? 1 2 3 6 9 and 18. If it is only about the factor, then you can write this kind of factor. Again take one example. Let's say it is 16. So 1 16s are. Then 2 8s are 16. It is possible to have 16 in a table of 3? No. Then 4 4s are. But 4 4s are, that will be last step. So after that we will not get 16 in table of 5 6 7 and 8 is already there. So factor of 16 is 1 2 4 8 and 16. So these are the factor of number. We also learn some rules for a factor. So which are the rules? Every number has a two factor, that is 1 and 12. कोई पण number लो एना બે factor तो હોય જ, 1 and number itself. If you take 13, that it has two factor 1 and 30. So every number has two factor 1 and number itself. Then we learn each factor divide the number exactly. कोई पण number નો factor find करो तो ए factor number ने exactly divide करे. It means 2 divided 12, 3 divided 12, 4 divided 12, 6 divided 12. Means each factor divide the number exactly. Number of factors are finite. Finite means countable. કેટલા factors છે? 1 2 3 4 5 6. Means 12 has 6 factors. Countable. Number of factors are finite. Means they are countable. Then we learn factors are less than or equal to the given number. कोई पण नंबर નો ફેક્ટર ફાઇન્ડ કરો તો એ કાં તો લેસ ધેન હોય કાં તો ઇક્વલ ટુ ધ નંબર. નન ઓફ ધ ફેક્ટર ઇઝ ગ્રેટર ધેન ધ गिवन નંબર. 12 કરતા કોઈ મોટો ફેક્ટર હોય નહીં. સેમ હિયર ફોર 18. નન ઓફ ધ ફેક્ટર ઇઝ ગ્રેટર ધેન 18. All numbers are less than or equal to 18. So these are the rules for factor. After factor we learn multiples. You need to write note for revision. Revision in notes માં લખવાની છે, continue માં લખવાની છે. Okay. No, multiples. Multiples means if we want to write the multiple of 5, then it means you need to write the number that we get in table of 5. 5 1s are, 5 2s are, 5 3s are, 5 4s are, 5 5s are. You can write any number of multiple. So multiple of 5 is 5, 10, 15, 20, 20. Same multiple of 7, you can write 7, 40, Likewise, same multiple of 11, 22, 33, 44. Now, we learn the rules for multiples. Multiples are infinite. Multiples કેવા હોય? Infinite. This dash 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 represent we can get more multiples for a given number. If you multiply 11 with 2000, 11 ને 2000 થી મલ્ટીપ્લાય કરો તો જે નંબર આવે એ 11 નો મલ્ટીપલ તો કહેવાય છે. Each multiple is divisible by the number. બધા જે મલ્ટીપલ છે 11 થી ડિવાઇડ થાય છે. Multiples are infinite. Multiples are divisible by that number. And multiples are greater than or equal to the number. Multiples કેવા હોય? 7 ના મલ્ટીપલ 7 કાં તો 7 થી વધારે. Less than હોય નહીં. So these are the rules we learn for a multiples. We also learn one statement, that is a perfect number. Perfect number. If you find the number and their factors, and if the sum of factor is the twice of the number, then it is called the perfect number. For example, 28. Factor of 28 is 1, 28, 2, 14, then 3, 4, 5 not possible, 6 is not possible, and 7. So if we add 1 plus 2 plus 4 plus 7 plus 14 plus 28, we will get 56. That is 2 times 28. Means sum of factor is twice the number, then it is called the perfect number. This kind of question can be asked for blank. If you find the sum of number and it is twice the number, then it is a blank number. It is called the perfect number. After that, we learn the divisibility rule. We solve many examples using factors and multiples. Find the factors and multiple of given number. Then we learn divisibility rules. In divisibility rules, which number are divisible by 10? Last digit is 0. If the last digit is 0, then number is divisible by 5. Which number is divisible by? If last digit is 5 or 0. Which number are divisible by 5? If the last digit is 5 or 0. Now divisible by 2. Which number are divisible by 2? If last digit is even. Even. Okay, if last digit is 0, 2, 3, 2, 4, 6, 8, then that number are divisible by 2. Now, divisible by 3. Which number are divisible by 3? If the sum of digits is divisible by 3. Sum of digits which number are divisible by 3? If the sum of digit is divisible by 3, then that number is also divisible by 3. Then we have divisible by 9. Which number are divisible by 9? If the sum of digit is divisible by 9. After that, divisible by 6. Which number are divisible by 6? If the number divisible by 2 and 3, both. 2 and 3. So 2 and 3 થી divide થાય તો 6 થી પણ divide થાય. After that, we learn divisibility by 4. Which number are divisible by 4? If last 2 digit is divisible by 4. So you can write last 2 digit. Which number after that? Divisibility by A. Which number are divisible by A? If last 3 digit is divisible by A. So these are the divisibility of 10 to 10, 5, 2, 3, 9, 6, 4 and 8. Also we learn the divisibility of 11. Which number are divisible by 11? If you take the sum of number of digits at the even place and sum of the digits at the odd place. Even place પર જે digit હોય એનું sum કરો, odd place ઉપર જે digit હોય એનું sum કરો અને પછી બંનેનું subtraction કરો. If the answer is 0 or 11, then it is divisible by 11. After divisibility rules, what we learn? We learn prime and composite. Okay, so what are the prime and composite number? Prime and prime numbers. If number has only 2 factors, only 2 factors, that is 1 and number itself, then it is called prime number. Composite number, number has more than 2 factors. Number has more than 2 factors. So which are the prime numbers? You can say one is non-prime, non-composite. One is neither prime nor composite. 2 is smallest even prime number. 2 is smallest even prime number. Other numbers are odd. This thing we learn in prime and composite number. Prime numbers start from 2, 3, 5, 7, 11, 13, 17, 19, 23, 29. Okay. Likewise, you can get the prime numbers for from 1 to 100. Composite number which has more than 2 factors. 1 is neither prime nor composite and 2 is the smallest even prime number. બાકીના બધા કેવા છે? odd number. Then we learn prime factorization. Prime factorization, it means you need to find the factor of number, but all factor must be prime. એવા factors તો find કરવાના છે, પણ એ factors કેવા હોવા જોઈએ? બધા prime numbers હોવા જોઈએ. So prime factorization, in that we learn a factor tree and division method. So in factor tree, if number is 15, then how can we find the factor of prime factor of 15? 5 3s are. You can see 5 is the prime and 3 is the prime. So these are called prime factorization of 15. 3 5s are or 5 3s are. If the number is 18, then you can write 6 3s are. 3 is the prime number, so we cannot factor it further. 6 is non-prime number, it is composite number, so we can factor 6. That is 3 2s are. So what are the factor of 18? 3 multiply 2 multiply 3. These are called the prime factors. Or you can perform the method in which we perform the division of number. For example, 24. In that you need to divide 24 with the smallest prime number. What is the smallest prime number? 2. 24 is divisible by 2. So we can write 2 12s are 24. Now 12 is again divisible by 2. So we can write 2 6s are. 6 is again divisible by 2. So we can write 2 3s are. Now 3 is not divisible divisible by 2, so we can write 3 1. So what are the factor of prime factor of 24? 2 multiplied 2 multiplied 3. Be careful whenever the kind of example about the factors is given is asked in exam. If it is a prime factorization, then you need to perform this method. And if it is a only factor, then you can write factor of 24 1, 24 2, 12. Okay, that are called the factor of number. Again, we solve one more example. If it is 35 2, so let's check it for 3. It is divisible by 3. No, it is not divisible by 3. Now we need to take 5. Next prime number. 5 7 7 1. So factor of 35 is 5 multiplied 7. 5 and 7 are called prime factors of 35. Also we learn one concept about the co-prime. Co-prime number means what? Co-prime means if two number has common factor. We already learned the common factor also. If two number has common factor 1, then they are called co-prime. Okay, let's revise the concept of common factor. Common factor of 4n means we need to write factor of 4, that is 1, 4 and 2. Factor of 6, 1, 2, 3 and 6. What are the common factor? 1 and 2. So we can write common factor 1 and 2. Again, common factor of 12 and 30. So let's find the factor of 12. It is 1, 2, 3, 4, 6 and 12. Factor of 30, 1 and 30. What is the common factor? Only 1. So if here for a common factor of 12 and 30, common factor is only 1. So 12 and 13 are co-prime. 1 is not co-prime. 1 is a common factor. Here 12 and 13 are called co-prime number. જે બે નંબરનો common factor 1 આવે એ બંને નંબરને શું કહેવાય? co-prime. So if the number has common factor only 1, then the number are called co-prime. After that we also learn some divisibility rules for a common factor. Co-prime number. If a number is divisible by co-prime number, कोई पण एवो नंबर होय जे co-prime number થી divide થાય, then it is also divisible by their product. For example, 3 and 5 are co-prime number. For if we take 30, that is divisible by 3 and that is also divisible by 5. So 30 will also divisible by 50. Then we learn another divisibility rule, that is if number is divide two numbers separately, कोई एक नंबर હોય જે બે અલગ-અલગ નંબરને ડિવાઇડ કરે તો એમનું એડિશન પણ એ જ નંબરથી ડિવાઇડ થાય. ફોર એક્ઝામ્પલ 12 and 15. 12 is divisible by 3 and 15 is also divisible by 3. So if you take 12 plus 15, that is 28, is also divisible by 3. Clear? If a number divided two numbers separately, then their sum is also divisible by that number. Also we learn a rule in that if a number divide two numbers separately, then their subtraction is also divisible by that number. For example, 12 and 15. 12 is divisible by 3 and 15 is also divisible by 3. So if you take 15 minus 12, that is 3 and it is also divisible by 3. Means બે number કોઈ એક નંબરથી ડિવાઇડ થતા હોય તો એનું સબટ્રેક્શન પણ એ નંબરથી ડિવાઇડ થાય. Then we learn highest common factor. HCF of any any number, it means for example we take 24 and 36. To find HCF we need to find the prime factor of 24. 12 ones are 24, 2 6 are 12, 2 3s are 6, 3 ones are 3. Factor of 36, 18, 2 9s are 18, 3 3s are 9, 3 1s are 3. So 24 can be written as 2 multiply 2 multiply 2 multiply 3, and 36 can be written as 2 multiply 2 multiply 3 multiply 3. So what will be HCF? HCF is common factor. So 2 multiply 2 multiply 3. Means 12 divide 24 exactly and 12 divide 36 exactly. This is the highest number that divide both number exactly. That is called highest common factor. એવો ફેક્ટર highest means સૌથી મોટો એવો ફેક્ટર જે બંને નંબરને એક્ઝેક્ટલી ડિવાઇડ કરે. We also solve the word problem related to that. In that you need to find the word highest, maximum or largest. We then learn LCM. Let's take LCM of 15, 25 and 30. So for that we can write. So in this 3 number you need to check, is there any number that is divisible by 2? Yes, 30 is divisible by 2. So 2, 15, 25, 15 to 30. Now is there any number that is divisible by 2? No. So take next number 3. 3 5s are 15, 25, 3 5s are 15. Now 5 1s are 5 5s are 25, 5 1s are 5 1 1 1. So LCM will be 2 multiply 3 multiply 5 multiply 5. It is 1. So LCM is 150. It means 150 is divisible by 15, 150 is divisible by 25, 150 is divisible by 30. This is the lowest number. This is the lowest number that divisible by all 3 numbers. Highest common factor means largest number that divide both number, and LCM is smallest number that divisible by given number.